Alrighty, y'all. This storm near Port Sanilac is the real deal. No tornado warning or anything like that. But the velocity couplet is a lot stronger right now, with winds over 40 miles per hour. Not a whole bunch of a drop in the correlation coefficient, but I'm keeping my eye on this. Definitely with what we've had this year with like the Deckerville tornado, I would definitely get a tornado warning on this real quick because it's a lot more clear than even the Deckerville one. But then again, maybe the forecasters or the workers for the NWS, maybe they know more than I do. Probably, likely, but definitely just a strong storm. Yep, new scan on correlation coefficient shows a drop, so I am rather confident that there may be a tornado on the ground right now. The latest velocity scan rolls out that tight couplet. It's no longer there, still rotating, but no tight couplet, which really surprises me because of this drop in the correlation coefficient. Just something to watch out for as this goes over the water. Keep your eyes out for it. It's probably not going to affect many people unless it makes a tornado now because it's heading directly for Port Sanilac.